Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I am going to show you how to improve your online security by enabling a very important privacy feature in Google Chrome Beta on your mobile phone. First, open the Google Chrome Beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Always Use Secure Connections. Tap on it to open the feature settings. Then, turn on Always Use Secure Connections by toggling the switch. Chrome will now try to load websites using HTTPS whenever it is available. Your Chrome Beta browser will now automatically prioritize secure connections for better protection. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.